Again to the second part, and this time we're gonna get to more amazing tags. If you wanna type out something like Natalie Portman and you wanna italicize it, you do have a tag in HTML which is open angle brackets EM for emphasis and closing angle bracket, and then again the ending EM. And the output, if you can see over here, that this is in italic. What if you want to center this? We have a tag which is CENTER, pretty simple, and closing CENTER to center it. Yeah, and you can see what the my mistake. I just opened another tab, so you can see this is in center. Now there's a situation. If you want to make a website in which you do have some mathematical equations, how do you type out x raised to the power 2? There's a answer solution for that. We have two tags like SUB to type out this thing. They're gonna be in on the inside, so let's type in closing SUB, and let's type out the another tag which goes up, so up superior SUP. For that you can learn it like superior SUP, and you save it. So the next thing comes the exciting stuff. What if you want to have images on your website? So we have an awesome tag which is IMG, and again there's something new I want to tell you guys. Some tags, I say, some tags do have some attributes, or attributes are like property, or I'll explain you guys. So for typing an attribute, you just have to type space and type S or a different attribute name. I mean, in this case, my attribute name is SRC, and I'm gonna explain you what attribute is. So, if your tag is your simple tag, and SRC is more clearly defining out it. I mean, in this case, an attribute is something that gives more accurate information out the image. In this case, source is giving the path where the image is really located so that we can import it. So as you can see, I have this image and this my web page on the same desktop. So what I do have to type is its simple name of the image because it's on the same folder as my HTML. So equals to sign code. Actually, what I'm doing is that for this attribute, I told you attribute, for this attribute I'm putting equals to sign quotation for its real value. I mean, here inside quotation I'm gonna write out the path. In HTML, whenever we use attributes for some tag, we define the value of attributes inside quotations every time. So in this case, my image name is desk, so I type a desk.jpg because my image extension is .jpg. You can have png or GIF, that's up to your image. And when I see the output, it's like this. Oh my gosh, image is good, but what the heck is that? It's zoomed so much. So the reason being, your browser didn't know how much size of image you want to display it zoomed in, so display an entire image. So let's specify that with another attribute like SRC. It was one of the attribute. Let's type out another attribute. How? By typing a space, another attribute. What attribute? Width attribute for the width of the image, equals to sign quotation for the value of the width. So let's type out width as 800. Another attribute, height attribute, after space, and equals to quotation for height. Let's type out 600. Now our output is this. Wow, what a cool output is that. So you've specified the width here, and I mean not this, this part, and you've specified the height here. That's pretty cool. Now what you can also do is there is another attribute. You can type out title. For title of the image, what's the title? So you can say image. So what it did now, when you hover over this image, I mean place your mouse over it, you get this image. Going on to the next tag, to type out a line break, and with this we've seen that this tag works. But in HTML we have a visible tag for visible line. So let's type out HR for horizontal rule /, and as you can see in the output we have this horizontal line. Now comes the exciting stuff. You might have seen links on the website. How links are created? Let me show you. A tag is used for that, which stands for anchor tag, an attribute to link a page. I mean, with just this tag, a tag, you're just saying that it's a link. But how to specify the source? So for that we have href. Why they didn't? So they knew it. I don't know. So let's type out the value for that, and I've pasted the URL to open Google. And after this tag ends, we have this yeah. And this cartoon is playing. Now what if you want to make a list? So for a list, you just type out li for a list items, or you can type on, yeah, HTML is also case insensitive, means you can type out in capital letters or small as you wish, but I prefer to type in this small case. So list items for your list, but your list item contains some. So actually this is your list item. If you type out this another time, this would be your list item. Third time, this would be your list item. But your list items must be inside a bigger tag, which is, you can type out unordered list for UL, which means list like which doesn't have an order, or you can type ordered list for OL. So let's see a quick demo. So for unordered list, you have to type it embedded in the UL tag, and you do have to close it, the UL tag. Now this LIs are wrapped inside unordered list, so every list would be unordered list. So let's type out something, hello. So what I did, I created these three lists. So let's see the output. So as you can see that list items are visible, all these three list items, but UL is this. So you can also type OL for ordered list and /OL for closing it. So you can see the output of the ordered list as 1, 2, and 3. So what we've covered in this course, we've covered the headings from H1 highest level to the H6. We've covered the paragraph from P tag. We created this line break from B, or HR for that visible line, A for anchor, I mean linking to some other web page of yours. Like if you're in this main page, you want to link to another page, you can use the anchor tag, which is for A. UL for unordered list, OL for ordered list, you learned that, and ing for displaying the images. So now that you are capable of designing web page of your own, I'm leaving it to you, to your imagination, that what you do with these tags. And let's play around with it. And I hope you learned something new. Let me know in the comment box down below, and please subscribe to the channel because I've just started out. I want to put all these videos just for you. So if you like this video, please comment and subscribe and like. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you guys.